Hi guys, good evening, good morning. In fact, good afternoon, guys. Join us fast for an amazing session. I am gonna start today by Narithu. I would request all the ladies out here on this group to join us. We are gonna show some beautiful stuff by Narithu, which is our in-house production for women's ethnic wear, and mostly we are gonna show all cotton wear. सारा कॉटन का हम दिखाएंगे. जस्ट लेट मी स्विच ऑन अ लिटिल मोर लाइट. Okay, so first of all I would ask everyone if the video is clear. The video is clear. I hope the lights and everything is fine with all of you. I cannot see any comments. Say a hi, drop in a message, comment something, guys. I cannot see any comments, guys. So I am Riya Malhotra and we are from Narithu and we are gonna show you some beautiful clothing line जो हम लोग खुद हमारा in-house production है. We have got all the sizes up till 48, 46, 48 from 34 size. So the best part is you don't have to worry about the sizes. All the pieces will have further margins. हर piece में 3.5 से 4 इंच आपको further margins ज़रूर मिलेंगे. So you don't have to worry about that. And if the admins are watching me, I would request them to please check on the comments because I can't see any comments. So is this some technical glitch or I don't know what? Because it's difficult for me to otherwise get back to all of you. If the admins can see, please check that once if the comments can be made visible. Okay, never mind. So today we are offering okay. So all trial and tested. I can't see any comments. Never mind. I am gonna just start on with the today's collection. All the pieces that I'm gonna show you today, all the dresses, suits are available on the Leo website. The link is there on the comment section. कमेंट सेक्शन पे नीचे जो लिंक फॉरवर्ड करा गया है आप उस पर जाके डायरेक्ट शॉप कर सकते हैं. एंड ऑल ऑफ यू आई थिंक बाय द टाइम नोज you just have to click directly to the product. You can choose your size and book your piece. And today we are offering 20% off on all the range, entire range 20% off, subject to a maximum of 300 rupees off. So please be very very quick while booking. Size is limited है. Styling बहुत ही धमाके वाली है. So I'm just gonna start on with the first piece for today. So the first style that I'm gonna show you, it's a beautiful kurta. It's a beautiful baluchi kurta we call this. You can just see this is a beautiful 100% cotton handloom cotton kurta. You can just check the look here. I hope you all can see this very very clearly. This is all beautifully baluchi work embroidered neckline. आप नीचे देखेंगे यहाँ पर भी बहुत सुंदर सा इसमें embroidered है, right? And this is again on the sleeves on both the sides. Both the sides आप देख सकते हैं on the sleeves, right? Very very pretty है. And this is all देख सकते हैं mirror का काम है यहाँ पे. These are all attached pom poms to it. सारा pom poms आप देखेंगे it's been attached. Coming back to the fabric now, you can just, I hope it's very very clear in the video, this is all a handloom cotton fabric. Guys, pardon me if I'm not able to get back to you because I cannot see any comments. I'll just check again, but I am not able to see any comments here and I don't know why, but no, there are no comments visible to me. Probably a little later, शायद मुझे comments दिखना शुरू हो गए. We'll definitely get back to all of you after the live is over on the comments. So this is a beautiful handloom kurta, right? This is all you can see. It's all आप देखेंगे सारा 3D पे आप देखेंगे उठा हुआ है ये. That is the fabric, and this is the back. This is the back, plain back रहेगा. On the front we have, on the back we have used a little thin lining also ताकि transparent ना रहे, because off white color है. So just to make sure it is not transparent, we have given a very thin lining. So this is a beautiful kurta, you can see, very very pretty. You can carry this white and red combination with any outfit. You can carry this like with a sharara, with a salwar, with a pajami, trousers, anything. And I'm sure everybody have something or the other in the red. This is a beautiful color number 1. 2200 is the price. 2200 is the price for this beautiful kurta set, kurta by Naritwu, right? And I would like to show to all the margins that we are giving. That's our own in-house make. You can see this is the seam here. एंड इतने मार्जिन हम लोग हर पीस में अपने देते हैं अपने सारे क्लाइंट्स को, ताकि आप कभी भी इसको लूज या टाइट प्लस माइनस करा सके. वी हैव ऑलरेडी मेंशन इन दी साइज चार्ट नीचे हमने मेंशन कर रखा है. इफ यू गो टू आवर लिंक एंड यू कैन जस्ट चेक योर साइज, यू कैन गो फॉर अ 40, 42, 38, 36, 34, एनी साइज. ब्यूटिफुल कुर्ता, बालूची कुर्ता नंबर 1, 2200, absolutely gorgeous, super trending piece. WhatsApp us in case you would like to book something like this. Sorry, you have to click on the link and book it. You have to click on the link. So this is a beautiful piece, 20% off. WhatsApp just link में click करके book कर सकते हैं आप लोग. The next style that I'm gonna show, it's a beautiful 3-piece set. बहुत ही सुंदर सा मैं आपको अब next 3-piece set दिखाने वाली हूँ. We call this Chandni. A beautiful white, a very very pretty white kalidar piece you can see. It's a white and gold with beautiful tassels है, right? बहुत ही सुंदर सा इसका आप देखेंगे घेरा है, and घेरे में आप देखेंगे यहाँ पर सेंटर पे स्लिट ओपन है. अंदर आप देखेंगे इसमें मलमल की लाइनिंग लगी हुई है. लाइनिंग बहुत सॉफ्ट है, ऐसा नहीं है कि गर्मियों में लगेगा कि बहुत गर्म है. Very very thin, just to make sure that things are not transparent, because off white colors होते हैं तो transparency issues रहते हैं. This is the back, right? And it's got a very very pretty दुपट्टा like this. ये देखिए, ये इसका दुपट्टा रहेगा. So very pretty piece again. Now इसका twist क्या है, इसके साथ बहुत ही सुंदर सा bottoms मिलेगा आपको. इसके bottoms मैं दिखा देती हूँ, बहुत ही प्यारे से bottoms है. This is a beautiful sharara. Look at this. A very very pretty sharara like this. ये देखिए, बहुत ही सुंदर है. Again this is 100% pure cotton sharara. It's a 100% pure cotton sharara here. And again I would like to mention, it is again lined. अंदर पूरा lining लगा हुआ है. This is all lined inside. ठीक है. So this is the sharara. These are all premium cotton range by the house of Naritwu. So anybody who wishes to order, you have got a great opportunity today. 20% off by the Leo Group website पे जाकर आप booking कर सकते हैं. Sizes सारे मिलेंगे. I'm going to show you the look. This is the bottoms. You'll get the pictures of these on the website. Shirt and dupatta. Sharara, shirt and dupatta. That's the full look. 100% cotton है, fully stitched है. This is not the unstitched pieces, guys. Do not compare them with the unstitched pieces. सब ready है. And again आप अगर suppose 36 size लेते हैं तो आप 36 को 39.5 तक लूज करा सकते हैं. I would just repeat the margins. ये देखिए, बहुत सारे margins हम अंदर देते हैं, approximately 2 inch on both the sides. Enough margins. So this is a beautiful style, and I think this looks very very pretty. Summer में बहुत trending है ये piece हमारा. And when you walk, because this has a center open slit, when you walk, this bottoms is very very prominent. So this looks very hot. very classy. So this is one of our hot seller piece, and in case you like to book this, you have to just click on the link. So okay, let me help you out guys with the sizes. How do you have to order your size guys? For example, अगर आपका bust size 34 है तो आप +2 करके 36 size order कर सकते हैं, which is our medium size, right? I am 36, so I can just do +2, that is 38, and my appropriate size will be 38 size, which is a large size. So जो भी आपका measurements रहेगा, you can just measure yourself on your bust and आप उस पर हमें व्हाट्सएप कर सकते, उस पर आप हमें ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं कि आपको 40, 42 जो भी साइज़ चाहिए है. एंड फिर भी गाइज अगर किसी को डाउट रहता है तो आप अपना से एक साइज़ बड़ा भी करा लेंगे, तभी भी आपको कन्वीनियंट ही रहेगा, बिकॉज इनफ मार्जिन होते हैं, आप इजीली लूज एंड टाइट करा सकते हैं, राइट? सो वेरी वेरी प्रिटी सेट, ब्यूटिफुल पीस, दैट्स अ शरारा शर्ट एंड दुपट्टा. इट्स अ 3-piece set. 3800 is the set for this full piece, ready to wear, including plus shipping will be there of course. 3800 is the set price, and you just have to click on the link which is on the comment section. फटाफट से जाके size choose करिए, book your size before the size is sold out. So this is the style number 2. Style number 2 you get 3800. And yes, for all those who have joined us right now, जो अभी हमें जिन लोगों ने ज्वाइन किया है, 20% off. Leo Group is giving you 20% off on the collection by Naretwu, and you get 20% off maximum up to 300 rupees. So go and grab the deal guys, it's an amazing offer, trust me. So the next piece that I'm gonna show, okay, I have one beautiful कलर इन दी कुर्ता. जो मैंने आपको पहले एक कुर्ता दिखाया था, आई हैड शोन यू दिस वन, आई हैड शोन यू दिस कुर्ता, बालूची कुर्ता. दिस वाज फॉर 2200. इसमें एक है जिसमें ये मल्टी कलर रहेगा. द अदर कलर आई वाज सेइंग इज दिस वन. दिस वन हैज ऑल टिपिकल पूरा रेड कलर का आप देखिएगा एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड मोटिव है. तो वी हैव बोथ द कलर्स एंड बोथ द साइजेस अवेलेबल. यू कैन जस्ट चेक द लुक. दोनों कलर्स की पिक्चर्स आपको वेबसाइट पे मिलेगी हमारे. Both the colors pictures are there. You can choose your color. You can mix and match any color bottom. इसके साथ आप थोड़ा सा रेड के टोन्स में पहनना पसंद करेंगे, आई एम श्योर. मिक्स एंड मैच कर सकते हैं. Both the pieces 2200, beautifully embroidered you can see. And आप फैब्रिक की फिनिशिंग देख सकते हैं, 100% प्योर हैंडलूम कॉटन है, वेरी वेरी फाइन. 2200 for solo kurtas by Naretwu. WhatsApp, directly you can book it on the link. Okay, so I was talking about Chandni. So we have a second color in that same styling. Again, this is the bottoms. It's a beautiful bottom here. The length of all the bottoms is, the standard length is 40 inches. ये standard length जो होगी वो 40 inches होगी सारे शरारों की हमारे, ठीक है. And जो शर्ट की length है, that depends from pattern to pattern. जो ये पैटर्न है चांदनी, जो मैंने अभी व्हाइट वाला दिखाया था, उसकी लेंथ है 47 इंचेस. शर्ट की 47 इंचेस की लेंथ है. सो दैट्स द शर्ट. दिस इज कलर नंबर 2 फॉर चांदनी. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल डस्की ब्लू. अगेन यू विल फाइंड द पिक्चर्स. दिस इज नॉट अ प्रिंट, दिस इज अ वीव. ये पूरा वीव है फैब्रिक के ऊपर, आप देखेंगे. एंड दिस इज नॉट अ स्ट्रेट कुर्ता. ये स्ट्रेट कुर्ता नहीं है, ये कलीज में बना हुआ है. यू कैन सी दिस. वेरी वेरी प्रिटी कलर. कम्स विद द बॉटम. एंड इसका दुपट्टा यहाँ मिसिंग है, बट आपको इसमें सेम ब्लू कलर का दुपट्टा भी मिलेगा. यू गेट अ दुपट्टा ऑल्सो. सो दैट इज द फुल लुक ऑफ द ड्रेस. पूरा लुक, दुपट्टा इनकम्प्लीट है, अभी आपको मिल जाएगा दुपट्टा भी. 3800 का आपको पूरा कंप्लीट सेट मिलेगा. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू सिलेक्ट योर साइज, बुक कर सकते हैं. 20% ऑफ मिल रहा है आज का आप लोगों को. सो वेरी वेरी क्विक यू हैव टू बी टू बुक योर साइज.